butter lover in your life, you have got to make them these peanut butter cookies. They are the peanut butteriest peanut butter cookies you'll ever try. And they're so easy to make with just 5 ingredients. Just watch. In a large mixing bowl, combine peanut butter, sugar, baking soda, salt, and eggs, and mix together until combined. Scoop balls of dough onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Press the balls down with the tines of a fork. And bake. They're tender and really soft towards the middle, with just the right amount of chewiness around the edges, and the peanut butter flavor is completely off the charts. This recipe is bound to become one of your very top favorites.